Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to check how old your Discord account is. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your Discord and then click on the settings icon and scroll down, then click on advanced, and from here make sure to turn on this developer mode and cross this and right click above your username and click on copy ID. And now open a new tab and open this URL pixelatomy.com/snowstamp, then hit enter. And now here you have to put your Discord profile ID link. So I'm going to pasting my ID, and then here you can see my Discord information showing up here. I created this account in this date and time. So this is how we can check how old our Discord account is. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.